Stay in the back. There's a hurricane coming through. E, 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 E. What is up, guys? Matt Pally here, and happy Monday! And today we are going to be reviewing this old Jakks Pacific, the Hurricane. So here we go. He has like a face look like this. And he also has green hair at the top, like he always has. And also brown hair right there. He also has that mask on that he always has, the black, green, and white. Pretty cool. And a goatee. Pretty cool. The black goatee, pretty cool. Couldn't tell what it was. He also has his tights on. It's green, black, and blue. And it says the Hurricane's name in black in the middle of a circle right here. As you can see, it's in black, green, and white. Pretty cool. Blue. And also on the other side, it's on the same thing too, in green, black, and white. And it's pretty cool. And he also has green and black boots. Pretty cool. Really like this Hurricane Jakks Pacific figure. You can go like this. Stay in the back. There's a hurricane coming through. Yep. So guys, once again, hope you all enjoy me reviewing the Hurricane Jakks Pacific figure. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya. Happy Monday.